Well, we've got the lovely fire on, warming up. You guys join me just as I'm making a review video on this Gyro Flyer XL helicopter. It's currently on charge, takes 40 minutes to charge. So if you want to see the review on that and it flying, just go and check out the RC channel. But today we're going to blow up some beans. If you can remember the last time I went and tried to blow up this ravioli, put it in the microwave, it wasn't particularly successful because, well, I only put it on for about 5 minutes I think, and it didn't blow up. It burnt the tin quite severely. We've got, I'm not going to hide the brand this time, I can't be bothered with it, but it's crap, don't buy it. Anyway, it burnt the tin a little bit of sizzling around there, etc. But this time I'm going to leave it on long enough. Hopefully we'll get an explosion, and that is if this microwave still works. I've left it outside for the best part of a week. It's been rained on. We've got moisture and condensation inside the plug, so we're going to find out whether it's going to work or not and blow it up. Well, there we go. We've got the microwave set up. The ravioli, sorry, rather, is in there. Close it, and it's already turned itself on. Well, it's been in there now for about 36 minutes, I think it was. I did time-lapse that video somewhat, so let's have a look to see what is in there. Right, it didn't explode like I thought it was going to. I was thinking that'd be a jolly great big bang. It's still just a tin of ravioli after about 36 minutes, because I've done it for half an hour to start with, which is the maximum on this microwave. Then I've done it for just over 5 after that went ping the first time. So it's about 36 minutes. It's probably going to be red hot in there, but it didn't explode. So how can we get it to explode, I wonder?